Are you looking for a way to make an income for yourself in 2023? Don't worry, in today's tutorial, I will show you one of the strategies that can make you huge amount of income in 2023 just by working from the comfort of your home. So the strategy I want to show you in this video today is what we call CPA marketing. Now, what is CPA marketing? CPA marketing simply means cost per action. That is, when someone you are being paid if someone perform a specific action through your link. So the long and short of what CPA marketing is for you, unlike affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you are promoting someone's product. So before you will be paid, someone have to buy through your link. But in CPA marketing, nobody they don't need to buy. It's just some may be email submit, some may be pin submit, that is some may be um, credit card submit, some may be sign up. CPA marketing is all about doing survey. So for instance, you may be asked to someone may be asked to review an app, or someone may be asked to sign up on a platform, on a website, things like that. So once that is done, if that action is completed through your link, to be paid. Now, so in this having known what CPA marketing is, in this tutorial I want to show you the platform you can register and get started. I will show you how to register on the platform and get started, and I will show you how to find offers, good offers that you can promote, and I will also show you how you can promote those offers and make money from it. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, don't forget this is online store. Here in this channel we teach about everything online money making, ranging from affiliate marketing, blogging, email marketing, CPA marketing, and website development. This channel, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Let's get into the real deal. The platform we are going to use for our tutorial is what we call CPA Grid. Now, if you click on the link, the first link in the description box below, it will land you on this page where you'll be able to sign up on this platform and start promoting. So let's complete our sign up details. First, you put your first name. Today I decided to use my mobile phone so that I can show you that this thing really works both in mobile device, in laptop, and in tablets. So let me sign up my details. Right, company, website, you can skip, those ones are not compulsory. So you put your address. So let's just put a random address here. In Nigeria, any country you are, you can select. But for me, I'm in Nigeria here, so we'll select Nigeria, and we'll select the city. I'm in Port Harcourt. Right, now the region, our region, not compulsory. Okay, no, so yes, we have to put our region in Rivers State. we have to put our zip code. If you don't know your zip code, just go over to another tab and type and search on Google zip code for the particular state or country you are coming from. So put my zip code. I already know my zip code here. Right here, I'm not going to be using Skype. I'm going to use my WhatsApp. Right now, I'll put my WhatsApp phone number here. All right, your email address is required. Sorry, this email has been registered already. Let me put another email. All right, now let's create a password. Let's confirm the password. Now we have to choose our time zone. Our time zone is West Africa. Let's choose our time zone. Okay, West Central Africa. So here is optional. Let's leave that place and tick all these and then click on register. Phone number cannot be blank. Where is phone number? Okay, sorry, we did not put our phone number. Okay, now let's go back and register. So you have to verify that you are not a robot and then continue. Right, let me save that. Save these. Boom. So here we are on our dashboard. Here we are on our dashboard. You can see everything here is reading 0000. So now you are fully registered. Just as simple as this, you are fully registered. So what you need to do, the next thing is for you to find product the next thing is for you to find offers to promote. So how do you get them? How do you get offers to promote? So what to do is for you to click on this three line here and then click on offer tools and click on my offers. Now these offers are in different countries, so you have to select offers from the countries that you want to promote the offers to. So I advise you choose offers from the top countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, those top, the first world countries. So those are the ones I advise you choose. If you can see from Nigeria here, what you are seeing here is cents. 8 cents, 23 cents, 10 cents, 34 cents. But in those top, the first world countries, their offers are big, always big. So let's choose a country here. I would like to promote from UK, United Kingdom. So let me look for United Kingdom. So this is it. You just click on the United Kingdom. Now let's wait for it to load. All right. So look at the offers we have from the United Kingdom. The first one is $4. The second one is $1. The third one is $1.92, $3.42, the rest of them. So my advice here is that you look for you look for offers that have email stroke zip submit. Those are the ones that convert quick. So this one, the person needs, so this one is grab your Tesco gift card now. So this one with this offer, the person only needs to provide his email address and the zip code of United Kingdom. So these two things. So by the time the person submits email and submit the zip code successfully, you will be paid automatically, whether the person complete the rest of the thing or not. So long as the email and the zip code is gotten, you are free to go. So now, secondly, I always advise you pick products that are for mobile. Look at this one. This particular one is for mobile. This particular one is for this one is for Android. This one is for iPhone. This one is for desktop. So I advise you go for products that for offers that are uh, that can work with Android, because those ones are fast. Most people use Android. So if you pick products that works only with Apple device, it will not work. Yes, it will not work. It will not even open. So look for products that are for Android. Those are the ones that convert, quickly. So for instance, we'll pick this one. This one that is $1 for Android here. Zip email strokes zip submit. We can pick that one. So now the next thing is for you to copy this link. Yes, it's for you to copy this link. Okay. We missed one thing here. We need to verify our email address first before we can proceed. So let's go back and verify our email address. Right, here am I in my Gmail account. So this is the particular email that was sent to me, and my account have been approved. I should verify my account, blah 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 blah. Click on this link to verify your account. So I will click on the link. Sorry, where did I click? Look at it here. So click on this link. So our email have been validated. So let's go back to our offer here. Right, let me see whether it can work with that. Okay, so now it's not this one. Where is it? Okay, this is it here. So we have to click on it. So this is our URL. This is our URL. This particular one here. Yes, this particular one here. That is our URL. So we have to click on this link. But before that, make sure you click on it. So okay, we have to copy this link. We'll copy this link. So this is now the link. The next thing is for us to promote this link. So there are many ways you can promote the link. You can go to social media. You can go to social media to promote the links. You can can go can also use Quora to promote this link. You can use email marketing, and if you have money, you can run ads. That one with ads, you can that one convert, quickly. That one converts so fast. So if you have money, you can run ads. If you don't have money, you have to promote this link on social media and on email marketing. And how do you do that? You offer people free things. People like free things. You offer them free things like ebook, like free ebooks, things like that. So and you ask them before they will be able to access that ebook, they will have they will have to fill up the offers. They will have to fill up the surveys, in which they will have to submit the zip code and the email address in exchange for the free gifts that you are offering to them. So we are not going to cover all that in this tutorial today. We won't be able to cover that in this tutorial today because I don't want this tutorial to be too long. So subscribe to this channel. In our next tutorial, I will show you how to actually promote these offers and make money from it. So if this video interests you, please kindly subscribe. And if you have any questions related to this topic, please feel free to leave it on the comment section. Bye for now. We will see in our subsequent tutorial.